Hi all, in this clip we will be looking at giving way to pedestrians waiting at a junction. The Highway Code 2022 update states that when people are crossing or waiting to cross at a junction, other traffic should give way. I am intending to take the next road on the left, and the pedestrian is very clearly waiting to cross the junction. Early mirror checks, signalling and braking allow me to give way to the pedestrian safely. There are a lot of people who don't like this new update, and this is one of the reasons why. Me stopping has encouraged the pedestrian to step out without really checking if everyone else has waited as well. I'm not 100% sure who beeped, but what did that achieve? Really? My advice to anyone who isn't sure when or where to give way to a pedestrian, just imagine there is a zebra crossing across the mouth of every junction, and you won't go far wrong. What do you think of this newish update? Do you agree? Disagree? As a driver? As a pedestrian? Any thoughts? Drop a comment. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if there's anything particular you'd like to see, leave a comment or get in touch. Thank you.